Hello ma'am, good morning. So my program is the problem tree, which is a simple ordering system, which calculate the amount of base order, and it will display the total sales after the end transaction. First, I will explain how the program works. After you order a transaction, combo 1 and 2, then pay, you can see the total amount, and if you click yes, then you can add up to another transaction, and you can see that it will add up all the amount of the transaction. And again, if you pay, you can see another transaction, and if you click on the end, you can see the total sales amount of those transactions. So okay, inside the main class, I declared these private static variables. In the main method, we can see that the subclasses, there are subclasses. The Java will only find the main method if we run it. So if I put it inside the main method, here is the subclass transaction process. It's JFrame, JPanel, JLabel, and JTextField. Below it is the JButton object, cancel, which has an action listener, an action performed to perform the exit. Then below is the OKJ button, which with the add action listener. If the scan is equal to y, it will call again the main method again, but else then it will call the total sales subclass. The total sales subclass displays the total of all the transactions, so the total amount equals the total sales plus the amount. Then run it in the Java option pane, show message, and exit. Inside the subclass Liga, you can see the checkboxes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I did extend the frame, JFrame. I also add the action listener because we're using the action listen, the action performed. So I extend JFrame and set the size to 450 and 550. Set layout to null. Set default close operation. Exit and close. We don't need to add the JFrame because it's already been added top in the main. And set visible into true. And add the checkboxes to display them on the frame. Okay, every check button have an action by adding add action listener. Then using the getSource method in the action perform method to determine which button was clicked. Then the total amount equals double string to the amount. The double string method converts the amount to the total amount and then calls the total amount in the text field here, as you can see. Text field, that's for the checkboxes. After that, we can pay. You can see the pay button, the J button pay. With the add action listener. It's action performed. Call the subclass process here to loop the program, to loop the process. I did add all the checkboxes. They are all the same. Checkbox 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's J button pay with the it's performed, should perform in here. So I put this in here. Then run it to loop the process, the subclass process. That's all for my program, ma'am. Thank you.